TXE72 adapter. How much is this going to improve your PC? We'll talk about it, but first, we better unbox this. We have the glorious Link Archer TXE72E PCIe card here to get your PC the fast connection it's been begging for. This beauty provides a 6 GHz band, which allows for 7 additional 160 MHz channels, meaning more transmissions at the highest speed. You'll get to take full advantage of increased network capacity and stronger connection thanks to the dual flexible antennas. If somehow tri-band lightning fast 2,402 megabits per second connection isn't enough of a perk for you, well, maybe the latest Bluetooth 5.2 and WPA3 security is enough to sway you. Now you can have your desktop anywhere you want in your home with ultra-fast Wi-Fi 6E connectivity. Fast! Get easy setup Wi-Fi with the Link Archer TXE72E adapter, now on Newegg.